Applications are available to create different types of bracings in a pre-engineered building. There are 4 such applications in our collection. The one shown here now is X bracing by purlin or girt number. It will create X bracing by selecting an unexploded purlin or girt macro object. The nodes of the bracing will be just below the specified purlin or girt location number. The one shown here now is X bracing by distance. It will create X bracing by selecting mainframe members and between specified distances. The nodes of the bracing will be at the location distances specified. Both the applications works on a PEB surface at specified number of bays. The one shown here now is X bracing on supports by points. It will create X bracing between selected mainframe members and between selected node points. The nodes of the bracing will be at the selected points. The one shown here now is K bracing on supports by points. It will create K bracing between selected mainframe members and between selected node points. This is suitable for creation of laced bracing. The nodes of the bracing will be at the selected points. Both the applications works between 2 adjacent rows of mainframe members on a same surface. Both are suitable for single bay usage. Following are the types bracings available in these applications, and they are cable bracing, single; cable bracing, double; rod bracing, single; rod bracing, double; angle bracing, single; angle bracing, double; strut tubes. It is possible to modify from one type to another, provided certain values needs to be carefully used to get good result. Accordingly select required bracing type. Enter affected bay numbers, separate by a space. Enter governing purlin or girt number to serve as bracing node, separate by a space. Enter top clearance, above which the last node does not occur. Select required profile in the case of cable or rod bracing. In case of angle bracing, the profile selection to be made in the next tab. Based on web plate thickness, several options are available to control the occurrence of the backup plate in the case of cable and rod bracings. Select required option. Enter governing purlin/girt number to serve as strut tube node, separate by a space. To have strut tube at eve, select the option. Enter various dimensions related to cable or rod bracing at pictures shown. Enter various dimensions related to strut tube at pictures shown. Enter various dimensions related to backup plate at picture shown. Open Angle Bracing Standards tab. This tab can be ignored if there is no angle bracing or strut tube. Open Numbering Series tab. Various numbering series values entered here can be saved in standard file as company standard and can be under the control of company, and to change values in the future no modification is required for the application. Open the help system by pressing the help button for more information about this application. And thus ends the main features of this application. After entering values based on bracing system, press OK button. The system will ask you to select objects. Select girt or purlin macro, and press middle button. Don't select frames. The system will create required bracing system. Now let us start the stopwatch. Now, let us create bracing system for the sidewall surfaces and roof surfaces for the building shown here. First, we will create rod bracing for all the 4 surfaces, one by one. We entered the parameter and saved them as files for all the 4 surfaces. Let us now do it for near sidewall surface. As most of the values are as per company standard, we make few entries to finish this job. We select rod bracing double from the pull-down list. We enter braced bay numbers as 2, 4, 6, and 8. We also enter girth numbers 4 and 8 as brace nodes. Select the profile as rod 24 from the profile catalog. Let us put backup plates in all the nodes. Let us put the backup plate on opposite side of bracing nodes. All other values are as per company standard. Press OK button. Select near side wall, secondary object, and press middle button. Continue for other surfaces. After finishing all the 4 surfaces, we will stop the stopwatch. Once done, we will see some close-up views to inspect the result. Later, we modify the near side roof bracing and near side wall bracing from rod profile to angle profile.